abide by, accept or follow a decision or rule. We have to abide by what the court says. Bang up, damage badly. He banged his car up last night. Be taken aback, be shocked or surprised. I was taken aback when I saw him because he's lost all his hair. Bone up, study hard for a reason. I will have to bone up to get a good result. Bottom out, pass the lowest point and start rising. The recession bottomed out and the economy is recovering well. Break out of, escape. They broke out of prison and fled the country. Buzz around, move quickly around a place. Reporters were buzzing around the scene of the accident. Carry off, win, succeed. He carried off the first prize in the competition. Chip in, contribute some money. Everybody chipped in to pay the bill. Claw back, get money back. The new tax will claw back what the government has given out in grants. Cock up, ruin or spoil something. It was so easy, but he managed to cock everything up. Cop it, get into trouble. She really copped it when she got caught shoplifting. Dish up, serve food. He dished up a great dinner when we got back. Dub in, pressure someone into doing something. He needed some help, so dubbed us in. Dwell on, spend a lot of time on something. The program dwelled on little other than the scandal. Egg on, encourage. The other students egged him on when he started arguing with the teacher. Ferret out, search and discover something. The investigation finally managed to ferret out the truth. Ghost away, remove someone secretly or discreetly. They ghosted him away to a secret location before he could be arrested. Know at, trouble, worry, or annoy someone. I knew it was wrong, and guilt has gnawed at me ever since I did it. Go past, pass without stopping. She went past me without saying hello. Hang in there, persevere, not give up. We were doing badly, but we hung in there till we finished. Horse around, not be serious. The class were horsing around when the teacher came in and told them to sit down. Jabber away, talk fast or incomprehensibly. They started jabbering away about file system and lost me completely. Jack in, quit, give up. I jacked my job in because my boss refused to give me a raise. Kill over, turn upside down. The boat keeled over in the storm and the crew drowned. Limber up, Do some exercises to warm up before playing sport or other physical activity. The team limbered up for a few minutes before the game started. Mug it off. Leave. He mugged it off early. Nip off. Go somewhere quickly. I'm nipping off to get some milk. Yak on. Talk continuously, especially if it is in an annoying way. He yacked on for an hour.